Welcome to Government Contracting Academy. I'm Randall Wimmer and I founded GCA in 2020 to fill a market void providing support to small businesses in the federal government contracting industry. I struggled for about a decade trying to quote unquote figure it out. Once I did figure it out, I won hundreds of millions of dollars on my way to selling my first company and a liquidity event. Government Contracting Academy does four primary things. The first thing that it does is provides training. This training provides you the insider information that you won't get anywhere else. It's from somebody who's been in the trenches and know what it takes to be successful. It is 100% actionable. Second, it provides you with business tools, example proposal content, and any templates that you need that are applicable to the course that you're taking. Our goal is to ensure that you never start with a blank sheet of paper. Third, we offer office hours every Friday morning. I keep that time available for those of you who need to meet with me one-on-one to discuss an issue, discuss an opportunity, to address an issue that you have with a partner or whatever it is. I'm available every Friday morning as you need me. And finally, fourth, for our wholly owned subsidiary, the ISO Certification Group, we help small businesses obtain corporate credentials faster, cheaper, and easier than anybody else. We help companies obtain these corporate credentials to overcome the perception of being a high-risk small business and to differentiate themselves from the literally hundreds of thousands of other small businesses vying for federal government contracting opportunities. Again, welcome to Government Contracting Academy. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact me.